Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make mix gas for Weed Wacker, updated. Measure a clean jerry can, pour fresh unleaded gas, then add 2-cycle oil per the recommended 50:1 ratio. Always use the exact ratio stamped on your trimmer or in the manual for peak performance. Tighten the cap, gently invert to mix, and label the container with ratio and date so you avoid old or incorrect fuel. Gather gloves, eye protection, a funnel measuring cup, and a clean, approved fuel container before you start. Make sure your work area is ventilated and free of ignition sources, and never smoke while mixing. Check the oil bottle for its 2-cycle designation and the exact ratio like 50:1 or 40:1. If in doubt, consult the trimmer label to match the manufacturer recommendation to avoid costly engine repairs. Start by adding the correct amount of 2-cycle oil into your container, then pour in the measured gasoline to reduce foaming. Cap tightly and gently invert the container several times to ensure a consistent 50:1 or 40:1 mix, depending on your model. Never store mixed fuel longer than 1 month, and always mark the ratio and date on the container so you maintain fresh fuel and avoid carburetor issues when you next use your Weed Wacker.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.